watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Mike Hughes of NLT, Next Level Training, and he's going to show us a SIRT pistol real quick, and then we're going to see a AR bolt carrier group that's a replacement bolt carrier group. So
correct, David.
Here we go.
Well, David, the SIRT training pistol has come about to get higher volume self-diagnostic training. It's great for a trainer, it's great for the person who just wants to get better themselves, is training in high volume. If you think about it, there's a lot of barriers to entry to go into the range and such. We've got to get our range time. Don't cut that down, but make it more useful. Work all your mechanics at home. More draws, more reloads, more awkward shooting, strong hand, weak hand, drawing from concealment, working through snags. All those mechanics. And then go to the range and integrate it with your recoil management, with your good grip and stance, and bring that package together. Now as a trainer, there's a prep and break indicator. So you have a prep when you prep the trigger and a break when you break the shot. On the pro models, our top of the line models, with the same weight, same form fit as a live fire gun, you have a prep and then a break, all right, where it's red and then green. It's an adjustable trigger in a lot of different levels. But now you can see if someone's slapping the trigger, all right, it goes red, green right away.
Right.
You can see the draws come, like they're drawing too early before they're on target. A whole host of training.
So the pro model shows them both at the same time, is what you're saying.
They'll both go on when it's fully depressed.
Right.
But for example, you can see when he's shooting off the reset. Common deficiency is you shoot, and then you pin the trigger, which is a deficiency. So you shoot, pin, and they come all the way off. So that's not a full trigger. Shoot, break, and then be right back on that reset for that next shot. A lot of training. We can go make it a 2-hour video.
Right. Okay. So then we've got the same thing for an AR. We've got a bolt carrier group replacement.
Well, yeah, and now the pistol is built from the ground up. It's built from the ground up.
Glock 17 simulator, essentially.
Basically, so you can pick it up and train. Pick it up and train. Get going. No overhead.
Right.
The bolt is retrofitted to your AR. It turns it into a resetting trigger with shot indication. All right. You do not have to mess with your trigger. The internal mechanism, which works pretty slick, puts the hammer out of play. So what you have is the hammer gets pushed back. You have this little bar which you have to adjust the first time. This magnetically just fits on, pops in and out, the little housing. This bar fits into the bolt where the sear and brake mechanism is. So think about it, friends. You can pop this in once it's calibrated after initial setup, 20 seconds, 30 seconds or so, and all of a sudden your AR has a resetting trigger, no more racking the bolt, has a good mil-spec feel, good, it's just about a 6-pound, a realistic break.
Right.
And we get shot indication. You get shot indication. So right now you can do your drills. How about $3, $6, $9? Oh wait, no, sorry, that was free. So we get the training in. You're on the live fire range. Work some of your mechanics, your footwork, your slingcots, left, right, all that. Dry, pop your bolt in, get your recoil management, dialed in, so you're doing that proper, you're good to go. Targets with reflective tape out, 200 yards under glass. It shows, even with the less expensive red laser model, it's like 130 bucks, like MSRP.
Right.
You get all that training in. It's fantastic.
Yeah, it's very cool. I've used the pistol. I haven't done the rifle yet, but the pistol's amazing. It shows up incredibly at night, by the way. We were doing some night training, and it was fantastic. We're doing that on steel targets, remember?
Yes.
It was good stuff.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, thank you, Mike. I really appreciate it. We are at SHOT Show 2013, SIRT pistol and rifle AR, and we are very grateful for the time. Thank you very much.
Good. Thanks,
you are watching DefenseReview.com.